In this video, I will show you how to use the if function to check if a cell is equal to either an x or a y value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing a list of tasks and their progress in column B and C respectively. Now I want to display a status as closed if the task progress is either done or approved. Otherwise, it should display open. To do that, I will use the OR function along with the if function. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign. First of all, we need to check if the status is either done or approved. To do that, I will use the OR function. The OR function returns true if at least one of the given conditions is true and false otherwise. In our case, I will provide two conditions inside the OR function. If the cell C3 is equal to done and if the cell C3 is equal to approved. Hit the enter key to complete the formula and copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, if either of these two conditions is true, the OR function will return true. If both of these conditions are false, it will return false. Now, if the cell C3 is either one of the two given values, we want to show the status as either open or closed. So I will use the if function to do that. The first argument of the if function is the logical condition to check. So I will pass the existing OR function as the condition. We need to provide the value if the condition is true as the second argument. So I will type closed in the double quotes. If the progress value is not done or approved, then I want the status cell to have opened. So I will provide open value in the double quotes as the third argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we have the status as closed if the progress cell value is done or approved. In all other cases, we have the status as open. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.